Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. So previously we have covered Unit 5 and Unit 6, but today on this video we are going to cover 3 units, Unit 7, Unit 8 and Unit 9. Hopefully we can finish this revision or quick review less than 20 minutes, I hope. Okay, let's jump to page 82. Okay. On page 82, the topic is talking about the clothes. Get dressed, Unit 7. So over here we have learned 10 different clothes from jeans, number 1. Number 2 is sweater. Number 3, jacket. Okay. Number 4, where is number 4? Over here, skirt. Number 5, the short. Okay, we have the short. Number 6, we have the cap. Okay, we wear on our head. Next one, we have the shoes. We need 2 shoes. Number 8, over here we have the socks. Number 9, we have the t-shirt, just like what I'm wearing now, t-shirt. And lastly we have trousers. Okay, so if you missed that lesson, you can watch on that video on this particular topic. So over here we have the chant. You can chant that at your home, but on the next page we are talking about the 2 different sentences. Okay, this and this. Okay, it's a little bit messy, let's clean this up. Right, so on page 83 we discussing about whether to use this or this. Almost the same pronunciation but different application. For example, this grammar focus over here. Do you like this hat? It means only one. Okay, but when you say do you like these shoes, since shoes has two shoes, we have to use this word, this, these. If there's only one item, we use this, this. So if you want to answer, it's either yes or no. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay. Next, and this is the song about the cool cat. It's talking about the colors, different types of colors, and different attires or clothes: jacket, shorts, sweater, skirts, socks, t-shirt. Okay. If you have time, yes, you can sing this. And I also included the video about this topic. And next one. This one we have done previously of your homework. It's talking about another grammar focus. It's on page 85. Is he for a boy or is she? And then ing over here. So these two, same question, just different. This one, it's either for a boy or for a girl. That's the only difference. Okay, he for a boy, she for a girl. For example, is he wearing a blue t-shirt? He, referring to a boy. Or you want to ask for a girl, is she wearing brown shoes? So you have 2 answers. If you have 2 ways to answer, but here it goes. Yes, he is. Okay, so you need to copy down If you say yes, okay, you say yes. He, you need to copy down from the front to the back. Yes, he is. If you want to say yes, is in the front, is at the back. If you want to say no, for example, this question, is she wearing brown shoes? You say no, comma, she, where does the word come from? It's from this sentence, okay? The same sentence, ayat yang sama. So, go at the back, she. If you say no, you have to add this one, she is not, okay? But we use the shortcut, the contraction, she isn't. Okay, no, she isn't. So next one, let's move on to the next topic is the cap, the story. We have done this as well. You can read the story for more information and you can practice your English. And the moral value is about saying sorry. Next one, another activity, and it's talking about the different color, black, red, blue, another blue, red, green, okay? And this word is a little bit unique. Trainers is kasutsukan, okay? Sport shoes, trainers. Next one, another activity. Materials, bahan-bahan, something that make our clothes. For example, we have 3 different materials. The first one is the cotton. Okay, over here, it's a soft material. Next one is leather from the animal. Right here we have the cow, the leather from the cows. And lastly we have the last material, wool, okay, from this animal. Okay, wool comes from sheep. For some materials that can retain our heat or to keep our body warm. Okay, so you can watch this video also. You can search on my channel, on my playlist year 2 if you want to revise on this topic. Another one, the characteristic of each of these materials. For example, the wool is here is warm. Okay, bahan yang panas, not panas, they are thick, tebal, so they keep our body warm and cozy. Leather, over here we have the strong materials, very durable. You can wear this for a long period of time, boleh pakai lama. And lastly we have the cotton, which is cool. Okay, cool materials. So another activity, you can study this, revision, different type of clothes, just to make sure that you remember each of these clothes. Next one, the robot. Okay, the robot is the topic about the body right here on page 94, the body. So over here we have learned 8 parts of our body. So the first one is our head. This is our head. Number 2, our arm. This one, the swinging arm, to play badminton, basketball, and so on. Number 3, we have the fingers right here. Number 4, we have our hand. Okay, if there are 2, we call them hands. Next one is the knee over here, to make sure that we can bend our leg so that our leg is not like chopstick. so we can bend and move our leg and our body. Number 6, we have the leg, this entire part, okay, from the top until the bottom here, the leg, okay. Number 7, toes, over here. There are 5 over here and 5 in this shoe. Those are called toes, jari kaki. And lastly, we have the foot, this entire one. If there are 2, we call them feet, F-E-E-T. If we count them both, feet, not foots. No. Feet, okay? I hope you remember that extra information. It's not that hard. But make sure you also know other parts, for example, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your mouth that you have learned during kindergarten, masa tadika dulu. I hope you still remember. And the chant. Next one, page 95, it's about the ability. Ability to do, yes you can. If you can do, yes I can. If you cannot do, you say I can't. For example, I can stand on one leg. I can stand on one leg. And then also, she can skip. Skipping rope. But over here, it's about something that you cannot do. For example, I can't touch my toes. Okay? I can't touch my toes. Oh, for example, like here. I can't touch my toes. Tidak sampai tidak dapat sentuh jari kaki. That's how you use I can't. Saya tidak dapat. And another one is he can't skip. Okay, the skipping rope, but he cannot. For example, like this. Whisper. I can't skip. This one. Ayo. So that's about the ability. I can or I can't. Next one is the song. About 6 animals. Larry Lizard, Dan Dolphin, Lucy Ladybird, Charlie Cheetah, and who is this? Kate Kangaroo, and Bella the bird. Okay, you can read this up by your own. Next one. Also, the questions with can for ability. Okay, you can use the word can to ask about the ability. For example, you can ask your friend or anybody, can you swim? Can you swim? And then can you dance? Pandai menari? Boleh menari? If you want to answer, you have 2 ways. The first one is you say, yes, I can swim, I can dance, if you can. So for example, like me, no, I can't swim, I can't dance. Okay, so that's how you use the word can to asking about the ability. Swim, what else? Playing tennis. Can you play piano? Can you ride horse? For example, over here. I think we have done this, right? Can you ride bike? Can you swim? Can you dance? Those are some example of question about ability. Next one. This, the problem or the story. And the value for this story is teamwork. So you have to work as a team to work something on. Next one. another question. Can you play the piano? And so on. Next one. We have done this activity. Yes. Exercising your reading and writing skills. But you have done previously. Well done. Next one is the skeleton. What is that? Okay, the skeleton. So over here, I highlighted this one because it's important. The skeleton helps us to swim, walk, run, sit, and stand. Okay, skeleton, tulang in our body, under the flesh. Okay, these are our skeleton. So it's very important to take care of our skeleton. How? You need to consume enough amount of calcium from the milk, from your vitamin, from any dairy product. Okay, so like human, animal also, they also have their own skeleton. And we have done this on our workbook as well. So that's why it's important to study your student's book and also your workbook 1B, right? The bone, the head, the knee, this is inside our body, okay? The foot and our arm. Next, okay, another activity, make a poster. Okay, lastly, we have the last topic, Unit 9, at the beach. So it's something related about holidays. So what are activities that we can do at the beach? The first one is catch a fish. You can see a fish. Here we have paint a picture. My favorite, eat ice cream because it's sunny and it's quite hot at the beach, so it's very nice to have some ice cream to eat. Number 4, we have this activity, take photos, take a photo. Next one, number 5, we have someone listen to music. Number 6, look for shells right here. Let me zoom. Number 7, read a book. And number 8, make a sand castle. Okay, buat istana pasir from the sand. Here we have the chant. Next one. On page 107, we have learned about the suggestions. Okay, how do we use suggestions? We just add let's. Okay, let's one. Mari apa? Let's play the guitar. Okay, so over here we have another activities. Let's, like is this one, listen to music. This one is let's paint a picture. Next one, let's look for shells. Okay, let's everything is let's mari. Okay, so in order to answer, you have 3 choices. Tiga pilihan jawapan. The first one, you agree, good idea, let's play the guitar. Or you also can use this, I'm not sure, Saya tidak pasti. Maybe you say yes, maybe you say no. So I'm not sure. Next one is, oh, sorry, I don't want to. You reject the suggestion. You don't want to do, you say, sorry, I don't want to. Okay? Politely. Dengan sopan. But here we have another song. You can search this. You can search this on YouTube as well. Okay? You just type in, let's go to the beach on YouTube. Surely you have this song and you can listen to it. Next one, we have the 109. Where's, or actually it's where is, but we use shortcut. We use apostrophe s. Where's, pendek lagi, shorten. Where's is only for one when you're asking for one thing only, and where are when you want to use for many things. Okay, let's look at a few examples over here. Grammar focus. Where's the blue book? One book only. One book. It's in the green bag. Okay, there's only one book. But how about if there are a lot of books? So we use this are. So where are the orange books? A lot of orange books. They are in the black bag. Okay, that's how you use is or are in question. This is another story about Flash, I think. The top of the hill, and the value for this story is modesty. Okay, modesty. Don't get too excited. Tidak boleh sombong. This one can run very fast, so she left her friend. Kasih tinggal kawan-kawan dia. So you have to be modest. Mesti rendah diri. So over here we have, each country has their own uniqueness. So you can read this on your own. Another activity, the weather, the holiday weather. A few weather that we have learned: the sunny, the hot. Okay, look at the thermometer. Goes up, it means hot. When the thermometer show the low digit, few numbers only, it means it's cold. Okay, this one you can see the snow, so you call it snowy. I think you can. Snowing. That's the correct spelling. Hot, cold, sunny, right here. Okay, A. What else? Raining. Okay, hujan. Here. This is raining. And lastly, we have cloudy. Okay, it's not raining, it's not snowing, it's cloudy only. Awan. This one, the poster. Right. Another activities. Okay. And lastly, we have the revision, the quiz time. You can do this by your own, but please make sure the book is always clean. Okay? So I think that's the end of this revision. So I hope you can study by your own with the help of this video, just a little bit of help from me. But most of the revision you have to do by your own at home. So I hope to see you on the next video. So all the best with your revision and good luck for your quiz activity on Friday. Right? Goodbye.